Yeah, this we are discussing in the last class, right? Yeah. So additive inverse and multiplicative inverse, right? I think we have seen in the last class examples, right? Let me give the general statement for the additive inverse. So if A is a rational number, if A is a rational number, then minus A is the additive inverse. Okay, right? This is in addition. If A is a rational number, if A is rational number, 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, so as per this formula, coming to our question, what is that? See, what is that answer Anna here? Additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is A is equals to minus 3 by 5. Then what is minus A? A is equals to minus 3 by 5. Then what is minus A? Minus of minus 3 by 5, right? Which is nothing but 3 by 5 is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5. Is it right? So additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. That's it. Okay, what about multiplicative inverse? Yeah, take down now, fast. Take that screenshot. Then what about multiplicative inverse? Yeah, suppose A is a rational number. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but 1 by A. Nothing but A is equals to minus 3 by 5. Then what is 1 by A? 1 by minus 3 by 5, which is nothing but 5 by minus 3, which gives us minus 5 by 3 is the answer. So multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is minus 5 by 3. Okay, Nana? Did you get that? Yes, is it clear? Right, next. Take that, Nana, fast. Next, one more. Additive inverse of 1. Additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Then what about multiplicative inverse? This we were discussing. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1. So 1 is a multiplicative inverse to itself. Okay, 1 is the multiplicative inverse to itself, right? Okay, clear? Right, Nana? So once again write that statement. So additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 itself. Okay, got it, Nana? Yeah. Next, coming to this third one, what is the additive inverse of 0? Yeah, additive inverse of A is minus A. Then what is additive inverse of 0? Is it minus 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative, right? Isn't it, Nana? It is neither negative and nor positive, right? So 0 is the additive inverse to itself. అంటే దానికి అదే అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ నాన్న. 0 కి ఇంకొక సెపరేట్ అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది ఏమీ లేదు. 0 దానికి అదే అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, కమింగ్ టు మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్. సో multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A, right? Multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A. So our A value is 0, right? Then what is 1 by A? 1 by 0. Is it possible, this number? This is not defined, right? Because what is the definition of rational numbers actually? Here I'm writing, which are in the form of P by Q. Second condition, Q not equals to 0. Third condition, P comma Q are integers, right? Isn't it? P comma Q are integers. Okay. So here the second condition is failed here. So 1 by 0 is not a rational number. So what we can say now? What we can say now? There is no multiplicative inverse for 0. The multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Okay. The multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Clear? Any doubts? Right. Next, number 5. Number 5. So additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Sorry, number 4, right? Number 4. So A is equals to 7 by 9. What is additive inverse? Yeah. If it is A, minus A is the additive inverse. In addition, it is. In addition, okay. In multiplication, for A, 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse, right? Then what is minus A now? In addition, minus 7 by 9 is the additive inverse of 7 by 9. Okay. Then what about multiplication? A is 1 by A, right? So A value 7 by 9. That is nothing but 1 by 7 by 9, which is nothing but 9 by 7. Okay. 1 by 7 by 9 is nothing but this 9 goes to numerator, which is nothing but 9 by 7 is the answer. Okay, Nana? Any doubts? Yes? Yes, Nana? Right, you can raise the hand if any doubts. Shrishma Chaudhary. Shrishma, what's your doubt, Nana? Unmute. Just now talk to me. Nana, your voice is not audible, Nana. Okay, your voice is not audible. Again, I'm not getting your voice. Use the earphones. Use the earphones. You'll get voice clearly.
సార్ వినపడుతుందా సార్?
ఇస్తున్నా వినపడుతుంది చెప్పు.
సార్ అది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా? అది స్ట్రక్ అయినప్పుడు
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా?
కాదు సార్, మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిఫై అది.
మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిఫై అది ఐడెంటిటీయా? మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్సా?
ఐడెంటిటీ.
నేను ఇప్పటివరకు చెప్పింది మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీయా, మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్సా?
ఇన్వర్స్ సార్.
Fazil, Shailendra, Prashant, start your videos. Sanvi, start your videos, all of you. Remove చేస్తా క్లాస్ నుంచి. ఇక్కడ ఆటోలో ఉండి క్లాస్ వింటున్నాడు. సాన్వి రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను క్లాస్ నుంచి. Shailendra, for you also. Shailendra, you are also in journey. Muskan, so you are attending classes from journeys, right? We told you to arrange a proper arrangement, but you are not following all those things, right? Then how can you understand the concept? Simply you are telling, I'm not understanding the classes, right? Then where is your proper arrangement first? Okay, we'll okay. Suppose if you take a rational number a, 1 by a is the multiplicative inverse. 1 by a is the multiplicative inverse. I explained very clearly in the previous classes. Suppose if you take a is equals to 2, what is the multiplicative inverse of this 2? 1 by 2. Okay, this is for multiplication. Suppose if a is a rational number, minus a is the additive inverse of a. So suppose if you take a is equals to 2, then what is additive inverse of 2? That is minus 2. Okay, clear? Right? Next bit we shall see. Get into the one more bit. See, people are joining now. Yeah, everything will be recorded here. Coming to third bit now. See Nana here. What we have here, look at carefully. Look at carefully there. The first bit. 1 minus 1 by 17 plus dash is equals to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. Yeah, how it look like? It seems to be a commutative property, right? It is a commutative property. So in the commutative property, what we will write here? What is the commutative property actually in addition? In addition, we are looking here. Okay. So a plus b is equals to b plus a, right? Then what is a value? Minus 1 by 17. What is b value? Minus 12 by 5. Okay. Then what is the blank here? Minus 12 by 5 is the answer. Unmute Saiteja.
Sir, minus 12 by 5, sir.
Yeah, okay, good, very good. Okay, take that fast screenshot. Coming to second bit. Minus 2 by 3 plus is equals to minus 2 by 3. Yeah, it looks like additive identity property. Additive identity. Additive identity. Yeah, what is that property? A plus E is equals to 0 or E plus A is equals to 0, right? A plus E is equals to 0 or E plus A is equals to 0. So what is the A value given here? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, then what is the blank? Obviously 0. Okay, good, Saiteja. Anyway, I know you are you know the answer. Yeah, good. Number 3. 1 into dash is equals to 9 by 11. Which property, Nana? Which property? See, if you need to get a 9 by 11, you are multiplying with some amount. Then what is that actual amount? What is the actual number, Nana? If you multiply with 1, we'll definitely get again the same number. Then what is the number here? That is 9 by 11. Okay, let me know what is the property name here. What is the property? Yes. Multiplicative identity. Third one is the multiplicative identity, which is nothing but 9 by 11 only here. Okay, got it? Next, fourth bit. Minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equals to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus dash. Which property, Nana? It is associative property under operation plus. Okay, every time Saiteja is raising hand. Then what about remaining people? What you're doing? Nobody is ready to give the answer, right? Okay, I will ask you questions. Look at the question. Yeah. See. Shivatmika, can you try that? Fourth question. So you are absent in the previous classes, I know. Right? Sham Lohit. Sham Lohit.
Sir,
What is the answer? What is the blank?
sir.
What is the blank? Srivastava. Srivastava.
Sir, 6/7.
Nana, 6/7. Very good, Nana. Very good. 6/7 is the answer. Because what is the property actually? Associative property in addition, right? So A plus B plus C is equals to, we write Tatmika, mute. A plus of B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Okay. So where is A is -12, B is 5/6, C is 6/7. Okay. Right. So 6/7 is the answer. Next. Muskan.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Fifth one.
Sir, 3/4.
3/4. Is it right? Fazil. Yeah. What is the answer?
Sir, 3/4,
3/4.
1/3.
3/4.
3/4 and 1/3.
Very good. So here it is 3/4. Mute Nana, mute all of you. And here it is 1/4. What is the property name, Nana? What is this property? Aishwarya? Which property it is? Aishwarya. Aishwarya.
Sir.
Which property it is? Shailendra, start your video. Sriram, start your video. Prashant. Sriram, I will remove you from the class definitely. Just now I removed Prashant from the class. Sriram. Okay, right. Removing everyone. Right. Okay, Priya Madhavi, what is the property name, Nana?
Sir,
What is the property name?
sir, additive property, sir.
Yes, Nana, what is the property?
Additive, sir.
Yeah, tell me what, okay, once tell me what are the properties we have actually?
Multiplicative property, additive property,
Hmm.
associative property, commutative property.
Did you write the notes? Did you write the notes?
Yes, sir.
Take your notes. I will ask you one by one. Take your notes and just put in your front of you. I will ask you once again. Within, I will give you 2 minutes time. I will ask you. Make it fast. I will ask
Okay,
you all
sir.
the properties. You have to inform me. Shivatmika, why didn't you stop your video? Mudabir, what is the property name? Unmute.
Additive property.
Additive property. Is it additive property? Did you write the notes?
No, sir.
Notes రాయలేదా?
Start చేసిన sir.
ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసినావు?
2 days.
మొన్న వరకు ఎందుకు రాయలేదు మరి నోట్స్? మొన్నటి వరకు నోట్స్ ఎందుకు రాయలేదు మరి? నోట్స్ రాస్తే అప్పుడప్పుడు రివిజన్ చేయొచ్చు దాన్ని.
Okay, sir.
Additive property now. Sai Teja, what is the answer now?
Sir, associative property.
Check it once again. Aishwarya, unmute.
Sir,
Why did you stop your video? Huh? Priya Madhavi, what is the answer?
sir,
Tell me, what is the answer?
multiplicative property, sir.
Multiplicative
Inverse.
property. Yeah, I will definitely come to your home, Nana. I will inquire everything. Okay. We are coming to your homes. We are doing survey on what you are learning. Okay. Individually we came. We will come. Okay. Definitely we will come individually. Sanvi.
Distributive property, sir.
Very good, Nana. Distributive property. Distributive property under multiplication over addition. So nobody is giving answer. Additive property, multiplicative. Do we have multiplicative property? Do we have additive property? No, right? Then how you are telling? Simply coming, just watching like a cinema. Nobody should write the note. Nobody are writing the notes, right? Priya Madhavi, still laughing. Everything will be recorded here. I'm observing everything here. Shrishma. Shrishma, unmute and start your video. Why didn't you stop the video? Number 6. What is the answer? 16. Sixth one. I'm not getting your voice. Shivatmika, you raised, I think, your hand. Yeah, Shivatmika. Unmute. What is the answer?
That's it. That's 0.
0.
That's
Right?
0, sir.
Yeah, okay. What is the property? What we call that property? What is the property name? What is the property name?
Multiplicative associative property.
See, you told right answer, but you are saying again multiplicative. Just observe here. Here your can you see here place symbol? Then
Yes, sir.
Mudabir, you raised a hand. Yeah, Vinay. What is the answer?
Sir, additive identity.
Additive identity. Very good. Additive identity. Okay. Additive identity is the answer. Okay. See, next one. Yeah. Look at the question number 4. This is the last question today. Okay. So multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Okay, time is up. Now we'll discuss in the next class. What is the question? Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. We'll discuss in the next class. But yeah, you must, all of you, I will ask you tomorrow. Take the homework. Take the homework. Learn all the properties of rational numbers. I will ask you individually one by one. Okay. Definitely I will ask you. Okay. We'll see. If any doubt, you just message me in WhatsApp. I will try to give the reply. Okay. Or else in tomorrow's class you can ask. No problem. I will ask the questions. I mean examples and property statements. Everything. Okay. Try to learn them. Yes. Right. Okay. I'm going to close the meeting. Any doubts still? Any doubts? Shwatmika? No doubts. Okay, Nana? We'll meet you tomorrow, Nana. Bye, all of you. Learn that formula, learn the formulas and examples and everything. I will ask you one by one tomorrow. Priya Madhavi, something crying.